Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can restore a recently deleted post on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on your activity. Next, tap on recently deleted. After that, you can see the post which you have recently deleted. Then tap on it. Next, tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on restore. Next, tap on restore. So, this is how you can restore a recently deleted content on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.